the earth. On your next inhale, bring it to tabletop position, walk the palms out, curl the toes under, and slowly, very slowly, and then nice and soft transitions here. We'll come to all fours, tabletop position. You can pad the knees with the blanket if it feels good today. Soften your gaze or close your eyes. And for a couple rounds, just focus on the sensation of your hands, the palms on the earth. And we'll move into cat-cow, dropping the belly as you breathe in. Rounding the spine as you breathe out.